We get people, endless people coming up and telling us that some teacher in primary school told them to mime.
Take my hand, let me stand where no one stands alone.
Well, you know, a lot of people have the run-of-the-mill health issues, mental health issues, like feeling down, feeling depressed. You can't feel down and sing for an hour and a half. It's literally, it's impossible to feel sad and sing at the same time.
The very act of breathing at the same time as other people is now known to kind of create a sense of bonding that creates a physiological effect. When you're singing, the hormone oxytocin is released. That's the same hormone that gets released during intimate occasions.
Or eating chocolate.
Yes.
One or the other.
So they're both very pleasurable things to do.
Yes, they are.
And singing is a way of doing that. Yeah. And you can actually do it with a couple of hundred other people.
I thought you were going to say you can do both things together.
Singing for pure joy and having a laugh and going out feeling just on an incredible high. Yeah. And you know, the research that is out there is proving scientifically things that I think will become more and more important for, particularly for an aging population.
I just heard about it one morning at the school gate, and I just heard some women talking about it, so I decided to come along the next week. So I mentioned it to my dad, Joe, a couple of weeks later, and he came along and never left.
You feel the better for it. You come here at night, you might be tired, you might be distracted, and you leave on a high. It's the best thing we ever did.
Great selection of music, old and modern music. When you have a 70-something man singing Lady Gaga, you know, it's always good, it's always good.
You also have people then coming up and saying that I can't sing. And we absolutely don't believe that either, because if you can sing Happy Birthday, which everybody has sung once at least, then you can sing.
We get people, endless people coming up and telling us that some teacher in primary school told them to mime and they stopped singing at that point, and they never sang again until they came to chorus, and we gave them permission to sing. Sing.
Yeah.
It's great for you. It's really good for you.